Merhaba arkadaşlar, my name is Güven. Welcome to Turkish Club, the place where you learn Turkish step by step. Today we are going to dive deep into one of the most important grammar topic in Turkish, the accusative case. Don't worry if the word accusative sounds a little scary or very grammatical. I promise by the end of the lesson you will be able to understand and use it naturally in the sentences and even recognize when the native speakers are using it. So grab a notebook because today's lesson is going to be very practical with lots of examples and exercises. So, haydi başlayalım. What is the accusative case? In English, we usually rely on the word order to understand who does what, right? For example, I read the book. I is the subject, read is the verb, book is the object. In Turkish, word order is more flexible because the language uses suffixes to show that what role a word plays in a sentence. So if you want to say I read the book in Turkish, you cannot just say ben kitap okuyorum. That would mean I'm reading a book. Any book, not a specific one. But if you say ben kitabı okuyorum with the accusative suffix, that means I'm reading the book that we know about. So the accusative case marks the definite object in a sentence. It answers the questions what or whom. Now let's look at how to form it. The accusative suffix in Turkish has 8 different forms. I, U, Ü, Y, Y, Y. Which one you need to use depend on the last vowel of the word, thanks to vowel harmony. Now let's review the vowel harmony briefly. If the last vowel of the word is A or I, we use I. If the last vowel of the word is E or I, we use I. If the last vowel of the word is O or U, we use U. If the last vowel of the word is Ö or Ü, we use Ü. On the other hand, if the last letter is vowel, and if the last vowel is A or I, we use Y. If the last vowel of the word is O or U, we use U. If the last vowel of the word is E or I, we use Y. If the last vowel of the word is Ö or Ü, we use U. So let's try some examples together. Elma, apple. The apple in object, elmayı. Süt, milk. Sütü, the milk. Film, movie. The movie, filmi. Notice something. If the word ends with a vowel, we add a buffer letter Y before the suffix. Baba becomes babayı. Without the buffer, it would sound strange. When do we actually need to use the accusative? We use it only with definite object. Kitap okuyorum. I'm reading a book. Not a specific one, any book. Kitabı okuyorum. I am reading the book, the specific one. Ben ekmek yiyorum. I'm eating a bread, in general, not a specific bread. Ben ekmeği yiyorum. I'm reading the bread, the specific bread we know about. Whenever you want to refer to something specific, we need to use accusative case. The apple on the table, the film we talk about, the homework you gave me. You need to use the accusative case. Please remember that accusative case cannot be as subject. The book is good. We cannot say kitabı. The accusative suffix is only applied after the object form. Let's go through some common mistakes learners make. The first one, forgetting the accusative. If you forget the suffix, you can change the meaning completely. Ben çorba içiyorum. I'm drinking soup. I'm having soup. Ben çorbayı içiyorum. I'm drinking the soup. I am having the soup. Using accusative with indefinite nouns. Don't say bir kitabı okuyorum. That's incorrect. You can say either bir kitap okuyorum, I'm reading a book, or kitabı okuyorum, I'm reading the book. So remember, no accusative with bir unless something is very specific. Tamam arkadaşlar, time to practice. I will give you subject, object and verb. You will make a sentence with accusative. Then I'll give you the answer. Subject ben, object tea, the verb drink. Ben çayı içiyorum. I'm drinking the tea. Subject sen, object film, verb izlemek. Sen filmi izliyorsun. You are watching the movie. Subject o, the object araba, verb satmak. O arabayı satıyor. He or she is selling the car. Subject biz, object ev, verb görmek. Biz evi görüyoruz. We see the house. Subject onlar, object ödev, verb yapmak. Onlar ödevi yapıyorlar. They are doing the homework. Good job. Now let's do some variations with indefinite and definite objects. Muz yiyorum. I'm eating a banana. Muzu yiyorum. I'm eating the banana. Balık pişiriyoruz. We are cooking a fish. Balığı pişiriyoruz. We are cooking the fish. So now adding the suffix changes the meaning from general to specific. Now it's your turn. I want you to write 3 sentences in the comments by using accusative case. Try to use different objects like food, drinks, or everyday items. I'll check your answers and give you the feedback. Today, we learned that the accusative case marks the definite objects. The suffix follow vowel harmony, I, U, Ü, with a buffer, Y, Y, U, U. Use it only for specific objects, not indefinite ones. If you want this video helpful, don't forget to like it and hit the button below and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next Turkish lesson. Teşekkürler. Görüşürüz.